one. I'm super excited. This is a new brand for me, Cuticula. I think they've been around for quite a while. I remember hearing about them like a long time ago, but I never really, checked them out. Well, I saw a pretty polish made by them, so I decided to check out their website because what else have we got to do, right? So I was on their website and I decided not to get the polish. I really wanted it, but I really have a lot of polishes that color. I decided not to get that. However, when I was browsing through their website, I'm going to take a pause right here. How many times do you go to buy a base coat and you don't know? Do you want the strengthening base coat? Do you want the rich filling base coat? Do you want the sticky base coat? And you end up with all three base coats and then you don't know which one to use. Obviously, you're not going to layer 3 layers of base coat and then start your polish. So I happen to see that they have this base coat, which is a strengthening base coat. It's a 3-in-1, strengthening, ridge filling, and sticky. So I'm super excited to try this one out. This is called Drop the Mic, and I got it unscented. They have a range of scents that you can get in their top coats, base coats, and polishes. But I just chose to do unscented right now. So I got that base coat. I'm super excited to try it. I also picked up one of their top coats. So I figured, what the heck? And I got this amazing topper. I totally love this topper. Take a look at this. This is called Candy Crush, and I'm super excited to try this out. And then I purchased this. I'm super excited about this polish. This is a sheer white polish, and it is called Coconut Milk Sorbet. That polish, they said you could layer over glitter to create your own crowleys. That very much interested me because I do have a bunch of glitter toppers, and creating your own crowley out of a topper that you love just sounds really, really cool. And because I know sometimes some of the other brands, they sell a crowley and then they sell a matching topper. And sometimes I purchase both, but sometimes I just purchase the matching topper. But now, yay, I can do something with that matching topper. I can make my own crowley if I want. So I'm pretty excited. I did play with these too a little bit, not on my nails. I played with them actually on a white fake nail. So I actually don't know how it performs over your regular nail, how anything like that, how opaque it is or anything like that. So we're going to check these out today. I'm going to do my nails and I'm pretty excited. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with the base coat, which is Mic Drop, not Drop the Mic. Apparently, I cannot read. So, anyways, we're going to try out Mic Drop. I'm super excited. I will tell you how long this takes to dry, etc., etc. Okay, well, it seems to be applying super nice. Let me just check this other nail really quick. Hold on. Yes, it is smoothing out the ridges. Let's wait until it dries and see if, it doesn't dry down and those ridges don't appear again. So I'll finish putting this on and then I'll come back when it's dry. Okay, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes to dry down. After 1 minute, it's still a little tacky. After 2 minutes, it's not really tacky anymore. Do my nails look any smoother? I can still see the ridges. I don't know if it's smooth or if you can just see them. I don't know. I'm kind of undecided about this. So I don't know. I don't know if we should put 2 coats of base coat on or not. You really don't usually use 2 coats of base coat, so let's skip the second coat of base coat and move on to Coconut Milk Sorbet. Got that name right. Okay, let's see what this is like. Okay, the first coat is sheer, a little streaky there. Let's see, second finger. Okay, it's a little streaky on the first coat, so I don't think, unless it levels out, you cannot wear it with just 1 coat on. So let me finish putting this on, and then we'll try some glitter over it. Some more coats. Actually, the last 2 nails went on a lot better, so if you don't keep like brushing at your nail polish, it looks pretty even on that first coat. You can't do anything about my ring finger because I got a huge ridge, so nothing looks good in 1 coat. So, but my pinky finger looks pretty good. I'm going to apply Candy Crush to my ring finger. This is a nice topper. It is sparse, which is great because it's a topper. It's not supposed to build up or anything like that. I don't think you need too many if you're, layering it. They're nice and shiny, so cute. I love this topper. While I'm waiting for that topper to dry, I'm going to add a second coat. Of Coconut Milk Sorbet. Well, that is 2 coats, and it's still a little streaky. Alright, so I'll continue with that and come back. The top coat dries super fast. So I am going to put a coat of the Coconut Milk Sorbet over the top of it. And it does look great. Oh wow, that looks really super. And my pinky looks so good. I just like totally messed these fingers up and they're patchy. I mean, look at that. That's not really patchy at all. Look at that though. I'm guessing you're probably going to need 3 coats if you're wearing it on its own. I love my ring finger. That's so cool looking. Okay, so I'm going to go with a 3rd coat on these other fingers. I like a sheer white because when you put it on right, it looks all nice and glowy. It just gives your nails like a super different look. I'm going to put another coat of Candy Crush on. I held the bottle upside down for a minute, so I should get a few more glitters out. Got a lot on my brush. I don't know the way to get them off the brush and onto the nail. Smushing them around a little bit. There we go. Alright. Make sure nothing's hanging off the edge. Oh, that looks so cute. So I could use a few more by my cuticle. Okay. There, I think I'm happy with that. I was kind of going to stop there, but since these ones are a little bit patchy, I'm just going to put Candy Crush over everything. Okay, so here's... There we go. So here you can kind of tell the difference between the two. So you can still kind of see the crelly look on my ring finger as opposed to the just glitter topper look on my other two fingers. Probably if I did a little bit sparser on the top, you'd see more depth on my ring finger. Now I'm going to apply Limitless, the quick dry top coat. I like this top coat. One coat actually smooths out those rough glitters really, really well. Except for over the curly nail for some reason. Maybe I was just playing around with that one too much. So that one probably would need a second coat if I wanted it completely smooth. But ooh, I like how this came out. Totally pleased. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. I am very pleased with my purchase. I like everything that I bought. I am going to do another video and we're going to do some more testing with coconut milk sorbet and making crellies with it. So stay tuned for that video. What are your thoughts on the collection? Leave them in the comments below, or anything else you want to tell me in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.